If the volume is strong in relation to the current trend, you may expect a trend continuation to come. In a scenario like this, I like to combine different forms of technical analysis with other forms of technical analysis to combine them together and make for areas of confluence where multiple different styles of trading are combined to find specific targeted entries to make for more confident trade entries long term. Be sure to learn more from my educational package down in the description below. An excellent profit here for this trade overall. It's amazing what is possible over such a short period of time when you combine different trading styles to formulate these targeted entries. As always, be sure to keep a disciplined approach when trading short-term binary options such as these. Risk management should be your first consideration before even entering a trade. If you want to learn more about how to find key areas of confluence for trading binary options just like you see here in the video, be sure to check out the resources in the description below, where I have the educational package covering in a multi-video series exactly what I look for when entering on a trade. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade on the Pocket Option platform Sundays through Thursdays. If these interest you, then learn more below. Also be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with more great videos just like this and other tips for trading binary options to come. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.